Schools might be on a midterm break, but class is in session along Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Jamaica Maitland tells us more in this story.
It was hard not to miss these brightly colored chairs with children reading outside a business establishment on Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
There are many strategies and skills that you must master.
And mastering it, she's been doing. Meet 11-year-old Tamira Burke. She's among a handful of studious children who caught the attention of our news team on Thursday. Like all good things, she comes in two. This is her twin, Tamara Burke.
If you don't do it in school, Uncle can teach us.
What about you?
It's great, and sometimes when I don't understand, my uncle or my siblings and cousin can help me pronounce the word or make it make sense.
The duo have been perfecting their reading since they were old enough to remember. Their uncle Xavier Blackwood has been helping them.
From I was small, I always understand so education is very important.
Xavier, who's a self-taught barber, didn't finish high school. Still, he wants to cut a clear path to literacy for his family and kids in the community. In between trims, he's teacher and tutor.
School give break for the Ash Wednesday, so continuing, I have further them education. They are the one for the future.
Good morning, everyone. We have a special visitor.
After a fresh fade, his nephew, 8-year-old Romain Brown, moves from the barber chair to the classroom chair.
When you're at school and you're reading now, how does that make you feel? Can you read aloud in class?
Yes.
Okay. And what your teacher says?
I read very well.
Okay. How does that make you feel?
Very happy.
His mother, Stacey Ann Blackwood, boastfully tells us that he's reading way above his grade level.
Because sometimes when I read in my Bible, I don't understand certain. I say, come here, come tell me that big word, and he can't tell me. Really? Yeah, he can't tell me. He knows to pronounce word. But that 20 letter or 30 letter, he knows to pronounce it.
For families living in tough communities along Brunswick Avenue, education is the way out of poverty. Ms. Blackwood reflects on how they didn't prioritize school when she was growing up. Now, she encourages them to study even during the holiday break.
No, they never get break. They never get break. Yeah, them for where we don't get, them supposed to get in life. Where we don't have, if we don't have a skill, if we don't have a like say 4 or 3 subject, them supposed to come get it. That's why we send them go to school, we push them.
Pushing them through it too is big cousin Tamira Burke. A businesswoman at heart, she eyes independence and philanthropy just like her uncle.
Yes, I like to do something like this.
Which is what?
Like working and stuff and have my own money. So I don't rely on anyone.
Okay. Would you help out kids in your community to do some schoolwork too?
Yes.
A proud uncle, Xavier is confident that with a snip of hope, the kids will be a cut above the rest. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.